Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to draw this dragon. So let's get started. At first I'm going to draw sunglasses. For that, draw two circles, leave some gap between them. Now draw three diagonal lines inside these circles. Now fill this space with black color. Now I'm connecting these two circles with a small curve. Draw U shape in between these two circles. Make two dots for nostrils. Now I'm drawing the face. For that, draw an U shape. From here, draw an upside U and connect it here. Now I'm going to draw spikes. For that, draw an upside down V, a little small one here, the same here, little more smaller one. Connect the sunglasses and draw two small upside down V's for spike. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the body. So let's draw the feet first. Draw two oval shapes. Now I'm going to draw the toes for both the feet. Let's connect the body. Now I'm drawing the hands. Now I'm drawing a popsicle. For belly, I'm drawing an upside down U. Now I'm going to draw wings. Repeat the same here. I'm drawing an upside down V. Now I'm going to draw tail. Draw small spikes. Okay, now let's color this cool dragon with beautiful colors. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.